Today's video is going to be how to make a bale. This is a bale machine. I'm going to show you how to make a bale. First, pull down the lift gate. Push down. As soon as the power lift goes halfway down to that full line, you need to stop it. Please take the breaker bar. Insert the breaker bar into the pull rod. And then pull up. Put the breaker bar back into where it's supposed to be. Pull the lift arm up and pull out the door. Go behind the baler and get 5 bale wires. The bale wires are located in the hollow tube. Take approximately 5 bale wires. As you're doing this, make sure you put the lift arms in the ejector. There's another one. Lift arm in the back of the ejector. Grab your 5 bale wires. Insert the bale wires in the line slots. Each line slot is located at the bottom in the red spot. Once you pull all the bale wires up, you're going to tie each one of them together and tighten them. But before you tighten them, make sure the ram jet is all the way down. By pulling this lift gate down and pushing the ejector button at the very bottom, you can get it down super tight. Now the bale is super tight. Now all you have to do is tie each individual string and eject the bale. So this is how you're going to tie the bale wire on the baler. You grab the small end and stick it through the head of the wire. Take it, pull it up, and then fold it down. Do it as tight as possible, and then take it and loop it around just like that, and then tie it across.